To talk about the Lok Sabha elections because everybody did go in and cast their vote, but all eyes clearly will be on June 4 to find out whether this is going to be a hat trick of wins for the BJP or if the India bloc can really spring a surprise. Now, before the final verdict is out, the exit polls have given us an indication, and the breeze, as expected, is flowing with Narendra Modi. Now, every single pollster has predicted a comfortable victory for the BJP-led NDA, with numbers ranging from 320 to 390. In fact, each exit poll says the BJP will better the 2019 tally and easily win over 303 seats on their own. Now, much of the BJP's gains are coming from the south. Now, the BJP and its partners are predicted to win 47 seats in the 5 southern states, nearly 20 more than the previous election, that is. Now, as for the India bloc, well, there's nothing much to cheer about, even if they dismiss the exit poll projections, which they went on to, of course, retract later. And the Congress on its own is barely expected to make any gains. They won 52 last time. And around that time, that is, the figure will only be somewhere around 60 if you're talking about compared to 2019 and now 2024. Now, another opposition party which is on the verge of getting a major shock is the Trinamool Congress. It is being projected by every pollster that the BJP will win at least 20 seats and it could be as high as 25. Listen to all the reactions.
कि भारत के मतदाता प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में मेरी पार्टी, हम सबकी पार्टी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी को 370 से ज्यादा सीटें देंगे और एनडीए 400 पार करेगी.
Do you want to react on these exit poll numbers?
Are you surprised that these numbers are 350 for Mr. Modi's party or the NDA Gathbandhan? This is a Sarkari exit poll. We always told you that these Sarkari exit polls belong to the BJP ecosystem. They'll show what the BJP wants them to show because a lot of senior leaders of the BJP are known to be playing the Satta market and the share market and whatever they do. We are absolutely confident of our Janta Ka poll, which Mr. Kharge and the India Alliance members shared with you. Our numbers minimum are 295 seats for the India Alliance, and we are very confident of forming the government on the 4th of June.
Most of the exit polls are indicating a massive, overwhelming majority for the Bharatiya Janata Party-led NDA. Despite being in power for 10 years, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's popularity is unfaded and is only increasing. Perhaps there is no parallel to what Narendra Modi-led government has achieved this time anywhere in the world, in any democracy in the world. India being the world's largest democracy, with so much of complexity, diversity, noisy democracy that it is, for a political party to be in power for 10 consecutive years and for the Prime Minister to get re-elected with a much bigger mandate is a huge indication of the kind of faith, the kind of trust that he has earned among the billion Indians.
We've all been predicting this for such a long time. What's new? I mean, I think that, very frankly, we have been traveling throughout the country campaigning. We also have a sense of what the reality is on the ground. We're very happy to wait and see what the votes actually tell us. I mean, exit polls are deeply unscientific. We all know this. I think last year, the majority of exit polls got the results wrong in Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. These things happen. I mean, so to my mind, what we are interested in is the real poll. That is the ballots, the votes of Janta Janardhan, which is going to determine our political future. So today is the first. We'll wait till the 4th, and then we can talk.
On his first reaction on the exit poll, we have with us Manoj Tiwari. Sir, ये बताएगा कि exit poll ये इशारा कर रहा है कि तीसरी बार भी मोदी जी सत्ता में आने वाले हैं. क्या रिएक्शन आपका पहले?
जैसा अपना विश्वास था वैसा ही लोगों का मतदान हुआ है और वैसे ही एग्जिट पोल भी दिखा रहा है और हमारा विश्वास है कि एग्जिट पोल इससे भी थोड़ा सा बेहतर ही होगा. मेरा शुरू से ये अनुमान था हम दिल्ली की 7 सीटें जीतेंगे। आज भी जब हमने एग्जिट पोल भी देखा तो लगभग वैसे ही आया, हम 7 सीटें जीत रहे हैं।
400 पार बीजेपी एनडीए के साथ जाएगी, अकेले 370 पार करेगी। ये जनता की आवाज, ये नारा नहीं है, ये जनता के भाव है, क्योंकि नरेंद्र मोदी जी जनता का विश्वास है। निश्चित तौर पर 29 की 29 जीतेंगे और साधारण अंतर से नहीं जीतेंगे।
छिंदवाड़ा भी नहीं छोड़ेंगे।
छिंदवाड़ा जीत रहे हैं हम भारी अंतर से। एक भी सीट कांग्रेस नहीं जीतेगी यहाँ। छिंदवाड़ा सहित सारी सीटें भाजपा जीत रही है। वो स्वयं जानते हैं कि ये मुंगेरी लाल के सपने हैं। उनको खुद पता है कि खोखले हैं, लेकिन दिल को बहलाने को गालिब ख्याल अच्छा है। दक्षिण में आश्चर्यजनक सफलता मिल रही है बीजेपी को।